Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're venturing off the beaten path in Dublin, a city brimming with history and hidden cultural treasures. While many flock to the Guinness Storehouse or Trinity College, we're seeking out the lesser-known gems that offer a unique glimpse into the heart and soul of this captivating city. Now, you might be wondering, what makes these hidden gems so special? Stick around and you'll discover why these off-the-radar spots are worth a detour. And to make your own Dublin adventure even more memorable, check out the affiliate link in the description for great deals on flights, accommodation and tours. So, grab your walking shoes, your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the enchanting world of Dublin's hidden cultural gems. Our first stop takes us to a charming little museum tucked away on St. Stephen's Green, near the bustling Grafton Street. Welcome to the Little Museum of Dublin, a treasure trove of memories and memorabilia. This isn't your typical stuffy museum. It's a delightful trip down memory lane, from the 1950s to the early 2000s. As you step inside, you're greeted by a kaleidoscope of everyday objects. From vintage toys and old photographs to quirky souvenirs and iconic advertising posters. It's like stepping into a time capsule. One of the highlights is the U2 room, a shrine to the legendary Irish rock band. You'll find handwritten lyrics, early concert posters, and even Bono's leather jacket. What truly brings this museum to life are the passionate guides, Dubliners themselves. They'll regale you with tales of Dublin's transformation and the people who shaped its character. Before you leave, be sure to pop into the museum's charming cafe for a cup of tea and a slice of homemade cake. The Little Museum of Dublin is a true hidden gem, a must-visit for anyone who wants to experience the heart and soul of Dublin. Our next stop takes us just a stone's throw from St. Patrick's Cathedral to a place where time seems to stand still. Welcome to Marsh's Library, one of the oldest public libraries in Ireland, founded in 1707 by Archbishop Narcissus Marsh. Stepping inside is like stepping back in time into a world of hushed whispers, the scent of aged leather, and the gentle creaking of wooden shelves laden with ancient tomes. The library's interior is a sight to behold, with its dark oak bookcases towering to the ceiling, filled with over 25,000 rare and historical books. The books are arranged according to their original 18th century classification system, offering a fascinating glimpse into the intellectual climate of the time. You'll find books on theology, medicine, law, history, and travel, as well as a collection of early maps and manuscripts. The library has been remarkably well preserved over the centuries, with its original oak floors, spiral staircases, and even the reading desks where scholars once pored over ancient texts. One of the library's most intriguing features is its collection of caged books, valuable or fragile volumes kept under lock and key. Marsh's Library is not just a repository of books, it's a living testament to the enduring power of the written word. For over 3 centuries, this remarkable institution has served as a beacon of learning. Today, the library continues to host exhibitions, lectures, and other events, keeping the spirit of Archbishop Marsh's vision alive. As you leave the library and step back into the bustling streets of Dublin, you'll carry with you a newfound appreciation for the treasures that lie hidden within its historical walls. Marsh's Library is a reminder that the past is never truly gone. It's all around us, waiting to be rediscovered. The Chester Beatty Library, a global tapestry of art and faith. Our journey through Dublin's hidden cultural gems leads us to the heart of Dublin Castle. Welcome to the Chester Beatty Library, home to an extraordinary collection of manuscripts, miniature paintings, and rare books. This isn't just a library. It's a testament to the power of art and faith to transcend cultures. The library's founder, Sir Alfred Chester Beatty, was an American mining magnate with a passion for collecting. He amassed an astonishing collection of artifacts from around the world, focusing on the art and manuscripts of the East. He bequeathed his collection to Ireland, and the Chester Beatty Library opened in 1950. Prepare to be dazzled by the sheer diversity and beauty of the collection. You'll find illuminated manuscripts from medieval Europe, delicate scrolls from ancient China, and exquisite miniature paintings from Mughal India. The Islamic collection includes some of the finest examples of calligraphy and illumination. The East Asian collection features ancient Buddhist sutras, Japanese woodblock prints, and Chinese jade carvings. The library's exhibitions and programs highlight common threads in different faiths, fostering understanding. Before you leave, relax in the library's peaceful courtyard garden. The Chester Beatty Library is a hidden gem, a place to lose yourself in the beauty of human creativity. It's a testament to the power of art to transcend boundaries and connect us to something greater. The Irish Jewish Museum, a story of resilience and integration. Our exploration of Dublin's hidden cultural gems takes us now to a place that sheds light on a lesser-known aspect of Irish history. Tucked away on a quiet street in Dublin's historic Portobello neighbourhood, we find the Irish Jewish Museum, a small but powerful institution dedicated to preserving and sharing the rich history of the Jewish community in Ireland. The first Jews arrived in Ireland in the 11th century, and over the centuries, the community has made significant contributions to Irish society. The Irish Jewish Museum tells the story of this community, from its early roots to the present day, highlighting both the challenges and triumphs they faced. Housed in a former synagogue, the museum's collection includes a fascinating array of artifacts, photographs, documents, and oral histories that paint a vivid picture of Jewish life in Ireland. You'll learn about the arrival of Jewish refugees fleeing persecution in Europe, the establishment of synagogues and schools, and the contributions of prominent Irish Jewish figures to Irish society. One of the museum's most moving exhibits tells the story of the Irish Jewish soldiers who fought in World War I. These brave men and women risked their lives for their adopted country, demonstrating their patriotism and loyalty. The museum also explores the challenges faced by the Irish Jewish community, including anti-Semitism and discrimination. However, the overall message is one of resilience, integration, and the enduring strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. A visit to the Irish Jewish Museum is a humbling and enriching experience. As you leave the museum, take a moment to reflect on the importance of tolerance, understanding, and celebrating the diversity of human experience. The National Leprechaun Museum, where myth and merriment collide. Our final stop on our Dublin adventure takes us to a place where fantasy and folklore come to life. Step into a world of magic and mischief at the National Leprechaun Museum. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, the charm and whimsy of this museum is undeniable. Located in Dublin, it's a journey through Irish mythology and storytelling. Enter a world of giants, fairies, and leprechauns. The interactive exhibits and storytelling captivate all ages. Learn about leprechaun myths, their nature, and their pot of gold. Experience the Giant's Causeway exhibit as a tiny leprechaun. Don't forget to visit the gift shop for leprechaun-themed souvenirs. Embrace the whimsical and fantastical. Life's too short to be serious. Well, there you have it, fellow explorers. We've journeyed through Dublin's hidden cultural gems, uncovering fascinating stories, encountering mythical creatures, and experiencing the city's rich history and vibrant spirit. From the nostalgic charm of the Little Museum of Dublin to the whimsical world of the National Leprechaun Museum, we've explored the diverse tapestry of this captivating city. Unlock the secrets of the world and make your dreams come true with our channel. We'll guide you through the most incredible destinations and share our expert advice for your next adventure. Don't miss out on any of our thrilling videos. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And when you're ready to embark on your own journey, use our affiliate link in the description to book your trip. By doing so, you'll not only save money, but also support our channel and help us continue bringing you the best travel content. Let's explore the world together.